Matchbox is back. I purchased the carded and 5 packs in Toys R Us, which I upload a video, the link is down below, and the 3 boxes on the right is what I purchased last week at the hobby shop, which I upload in Instagram at retail price. And now let's have a quick run through on each of the casting. The very first one is the 2000 Nissan Xterra. It looks tough and rugged, and I love the roof rack, which you can see the spare tires as well as other accessories. Unlike Hot Wheels, they are going through a more realism direction without missing all these details. I love the paint job as well, which is in high gloss finish and metallic red, and I believe that this casting will be welcomed by many customizers to explore their potential. And I appreciate that Matchbox never left out the small details, such as the Nissan logo on the main line. Next is my favorite off-road Raptor in Golf Deco. The car art here is absolutely fabulous. If I don't have the box version, I don't think I'll free the Raptor from the cart. As for the casting, the very first thing I like is the finishing. It's not in high gloss, but it's in semi-gloss or close to matte finish, which makes the off-road casting much more appealing and much more rugged, unlike the previous Nissan casting. They even painted the rim in orange to match the Golf theme, which is very nice, and the Golf design looks fantastic on the Raptor, which will be a hot favorite among collectors. I picked up this trailer solely for the purpose to attach to the Raptor, and I'm so amazed that it fits seamlessly on the Raptor and rolls really well here. The boat can even be removed from the trailer, which gives a lot of custom potential. And here comes my favorite, the Audi Advan RS6. Although the card states that it's a 94 RS2, the base states that it's a 04 RS6. So will Matchbox rectify the error printed on the card? I guess the answer is no, but nevertheless, the casting itself is fantastic. I like the default 10-spokes wheel set that comes with the casting. It looks good, and all the fine details that is printed on the casting, including the car plate which says "Still Too Fast." And here you can see the base. It's a 04 Audi Advan RS6. It looks good with the Hot Wheels 17 Audi Advan RS6, which is a work in progress custom which seems to take forever. But nevertheless, at 1:64 scale, they share a similar scale proportion. I removed the details on the Hot Wheels casting, so I can't say which one is better, but I'm happy to have both in my collection. Overall, I feel the Audi is a winner, and I really love the pearl white paint finish on the body. Lastly is the 5 pack, which I get solely because of the 56 Ford pickup with Moon logo. The very first one is the 63 Cadillac Hearse, which is a repeat casting from the past release. Next is the 56 built Century Police, which is my favorite. There are many variants of this built Century Police, including a Fire Chief. I believe I have a couple of these casting, and one day I'll do a walkthrough of all my Matchbox police casting. Next is the Jaguar E-Type with the Matchbox 65th anniversary logo printed on the casting. Next is the Dodge Viper, which I like the 5-spokes wheel set. And lastly, here's my favorite, the 56 Ford pickup with Moon's logo. It looks really clean with the Moon yellow paint on the body, and it goes really well with my M2 Chase version in gold wheels. They will look perfect together in photo shoot. Although Matchbox can only be seen in Toys R Us for now and not anywhere else, I'm happy it has returned, and of course I will start collecting them again. Thanks everyone, bye!